I'm Gloria, and I'm a transformation life coach. This video today is how to begin manifesting love, and I'm going to go over 4 steps. And if you're having kind of trouble in this area, it could be you need to clear some energy and clear the field before your new love comes in. And I'm going to give you some very practical ways to do that. Now, if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you manifest the life that you want and that you deserve. But let's get started. Hi, this video is on how to begin manifesting love. And I'm going to give you 4 practical steps. Because again, sometimes you've got to clear that energy field before somebody can come in. But if you really want love to enter your life, be consistent and persistent about it. When you have that desire, keep it in your heart and soul. Become the loving person that you want to come in. Because true love will attract true love. So don't give up on your desire. That's not even number 1, but don't give up on it. Be clear on it and stay consistent and persistent. Have faith that the universe will supply you what you want. But the first step is I want you to list the qualities of who you want. Who do you want as your lover? What are the qualities you want? And don't do the movie star syndrome. You know, let's kind of be realistic. Who is in your sphere? And don't be too specific about the physicalities. A little bit you can. But what qualities do you want? Loving, kindness, faithfulness. So spend some time and write them down, because you're defining it for yourself and also for the universe to rush this into your life. So that's number 1, define the qualities. Second, to clear your energy field, I want you to spend some time, maybe journaling is a great way to do this, to think, is there a stoppage from love coming into your life? Do you feel not worthy? Unlovable? Are you scared of intimacy? Spend some time thinking about that and journaling it, because you are worthy. Again, true love attracts true love. But journal it, write your feelings out, and if you're having some trouble with this, I want you to say this affirmation. I'm going to write it below this video too, but I want you to say this affirmation as many times a day as you can. Say it in the mirror too. I believe in myself. I accept myself. I magnetize others who accept and believe in me also. That will kind of help turn this energy if you feel you're not worthy or there's something stopping you from attracting that love you want. So say this affirmation as many times a day as you can, and especially first thing in the morning and at night and in the mirror. So that's the second thing. Think about your own feelings. The third, is there somebody you need to forgive? Somebody in the past. Now, they may have hurt you really bad, and I'm not saying you condone what they did, but if you haven't forgiven them, there's an energy cord between you, and we need to cut that energy cord. We need to cut that away, because you have to think, would you rather be right or would you rather be happy? Chances are you'd rather be happy and have somebody new come into your life. So forgiveness is so important. But I never tell you to do it without giving you a way to do it. This is one of my favorite ways. If you sit quietly in your seat, close your eyes, and imagine a movie screen in front of you. And on that movie screen is that ex-lover, husband, wife that hurt you, that you really, really are having a hard time forgiving. I want you to picture them really happy and doing something really happy that they enjoy. And you're going to try smiling and feeling happy for them. So picture them just doing something happy, happy, happy. And then you see them on like a road, a sidewalk, and they start walking away from you. And slowly, 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 they fade out of sight. But you're left with the feeling that, okay, I can forgive them. I can do this. And repeat that as often as necessary, where you see them happy and you're okay with it. You are okay with it. You think of them and you think, bless them, I wish them well. Because you're clearing up that negative energy from your own aura field. Think about it as like a big door in front that is stopping somebody from coming in. Open that door, clear that energy. So that's the third thing, is forgiveness. And the fourth is being open and receptive to somebody coming in your life. I want you to think about those qualities all the time. Visualize the kinds of things you will be doing. And I have another affirmation that I would love for you to do in the morning and at night before you go to sleep. Visualize the qualities you want, spend a few minutes closing your eyes, and repeat this. And again, I will write this below the video. I am now attracting a man or woman into my life who is honest, sincere, loyal, faithful, peaceful, happy, and prosperous. These qualities, which I admire, are going into my subconscious mind. I believe in the law of attraction, and I know I will attract a man or woman according to my beliefs. Because what you're doing this, you're putting in your subconscious mind. That is connected to Source, to the universe, and that person will come into your life. So remember these 4 steps. The first, what qualities do you want? The second, investigate your own feelings. Do you feel unworthy, scared of intimacy? The third, forgiveness. And the fourth, visualize what you want and do these affirmations. I know it works. Now, if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button. And remember, sharing is caring. But I'm sending you lots of love and light. Until next time.